Have you ever wanted to make your designs more dynamic with a progress bar but weren't sure how? Today, I'm going to show you how to create your very own progress bar in Canva. Quick, easy, and fully customizable. You have two ways to do this: using a pre-made animated element or building one completely from scratch. Let's start with the easiest method. Head over to the Elements tab and type in Loading Bar. You'll see a bunch of options pop up. Pick the one that fits your style, drag it onto your canvas, and adjust the size. You can even crop it or change the speed of the animation to match your project. It's a fast way to get a professional looking progress bar without designing it yourself. Now, if you want full control and a unique look, you can build one from scratch. Start by opening a video project in Canva. Add a background shape. This will be your bar's track. Then, layer another shape on top. This will be the part that fills up. Customize the colors, corners, and size until it looks exactly how you want. Once that's ready, select the top shape and apply the wipe animation. This simple trick makes the bar fill smoothly over time, giving your design that satisfying, dynamic effect. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've created a sleek progress bar that can make your videos, presentations, or social media posts more engaging. Play around with different styles and animations, and you'll be amazed at the results. Give this a try, and you'll see how much more interactive your designs can become.